Chase and Hollis Farms this morning. You know, Dodge is loaded up in the old purple truck. Got the trailer hooked up. I've been wanting me, or kind of needing me, a new lawnmower. The grasshopper is not completely wore out, but it's kind of like them Rangers, it's getting there. So I got a buddy of mine that's got a lawn care business, grass cutting business, whatever you want to call it. And he runs these Ferris mowers. And I've been wanting to try one, so I need to cut the grass over at the Brown house. So he told me to come get one and borrow it. So we fixing to go borrow us a lawnmower and test it out. We'll be back. Alright y'all, so me and Dodge was talking. We decided there's no way to do any lawnmower testing without a steak and cheese biscuit. And I got Dodge some hash rounds. I might eat one or two. He ready, ain't he? We'll be back. Alright y'all, we made it up. Got Dodge put up for a little while. Here she is. Ferris. Never drove one of these things before. My buddy likes them. This one's got I believe it's a 61-inch cut. I believe these things have got Kawasaki motors on them. Yep. Kawasaki FX 1000V. 37 horsepower. This is supposed to be their big motor, I'm pretty sure. Battery right there. Thing got a nice seat on it. Very adjustable. Height, your deck height cutting. This one's got right at 500 hours on it. He told me we could test drive it. Pretty nice looking motor. The one reason I started looking at these, y'all know how my back is. This thing's got them springs on it. Springs on the front and springs on the back. I think she's gonna ride good, but anyway, I'm gonna unload it, find a place to mount this camera, and we're gonna test drive it and see what we think. Alright, let's see if she'll crank. Alright, what am I doing wrong? I saw him crank this a while ago. Alright, I got it figured out. I had to have the brake on to crank it. y'all, that's the test ride on the Ferris zero-turn lawnmower. Tell you what, I like it. That thing will cut. That is probably the fastest I've ever done that cutting, and it's completely due to the suspension on it. Oh, just can't on the grasshopper. The grasshopper's a super mower, but it will not. It just bounces too much. Where I cut grass is not the smoothest in the world, but that suspension made all the difference in the world. I like it. We may have to have one of them. If y'all like our stuff, subscribe to us. Hollis Farms. Hats, t-shirts, and stickers. HollisFarms.com. Appreciate y'all watching. Out of here.